Introducing the LB Bohle Blender LM40, a compact, high-performance blending solution designed for precision in pharmaceutical and chemical applications. Built in 2023 and never installed, the LM40 offers stainless steel construction, CE certification, and a maximum safe load of 40 kilograms, all in a sleek, GMP-compliant design. With a rated power of 0.83 kilowatts, operating at 115 volts and 60 Hz, this blender delivers consistent performance with minimal energy consumption. Ideal for pharmaceutical, nutraceutical, and chemical blending, the LM40 ensures uniform mixing and repeatable results, even in small batch environments. This unit is unused, in pristine condition, and ready for immediate shipment. It's a rare opportunity to acquire top-tier equipment without the wait. Upgrade your blending capabilities today. Contact us at www.proxiogroup.com for more details.